Good morning students, welcome to maths class. Yesterday in the last class we have studied the distributive property, right? Distributivity of multiplication over addition. And today we are going to see the distributivity of multiplication over subtraction. So what is distributive property? If A, B, C are three rational numbers, then A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. This is distributivity of multiplication over addition. And what is distributivity of multiplication over subtraction? A into B minus C is equal to A into B minus A into C. Okay, let us verify this with an example. So 2 by 3 into 4 by 5 minus 1 by 2. 2 by 3 into 4 by 5 minus 1 by 2, which is equal to 2 by 3 into 4 by 5 minus 2 by 3 into 1 by 2. Okay? Now this is the LHS and this is the RHS. We have to show that the LHS value is equal to the RHS value. So let's start with the LHS. 2 by 3 into 4 by 5 minus 1 by 2, okay, is equal to 2 by 3 into here 4 by 5 minus 1 by 2. Directly you cannot subtract. So what you have to do is, right, tell me, find the LCM of 5 and 2. Directly tell me what is LCM of 5 and 2. Is it 10? Yes. LCM of 5 and 2 is 10. LCM of 5, 2 is equal to 10. So let us convert these two rational numbers to a rational number where the denominators are equal to 10. So 4 by 5. 4 by 5 should be multiplied by 2 by 2, okay, minus 1 by 2 should be multiplied by 5 by 5, equal to 2 by 3 into 4 by 5 into 2 by 2. 4 into 2 is 8. 5 into 2, 5 2s are 10. Okay. Minus 1 by 2 into 5 by 5. What is 1 into 5? 5. 2 5s are 10. Right? So 2 by 3 into 8 by 10 minus 5 by 10. Now see the bracket. 8 by 10 minus 5 by 10. What is that? 8 minus 5, it is 3, 3 by 10. So multiply 2 by 3 with 3 by 10, which is equal to 2 3s are 6, 3 10s are 30, 6 by 30, or it is equal to 1 by 5. Okay, 1 by 5. 6 by 30 equal to 1 by 5. Simplify. If you simplify, it will be 1 by 5. Now let us take the RHS. Take the RHS. You know that RHS is 2 by 3 into 4 by 5 minus 2 by 3 into 1 by 2. So take the RHS. 2 by 3 into 4 by 5 minus 2 by 3 into 1 by 2 equal to, see here directly you can multiply, no need of finding the LCM. Some of the students have seen many times that when you get two rational numbers to multiply, you used to find LCM and it will be complicated. Okay, don't go for such things. When you have to subtract, multiply two rational numbers, directly multiply the numerators, multiply the denominators. So 2 4s are 8. 3 5s are 50. Next, 2 into 1, 2. 3 2s are 6. Here also the denominators are different, 15 and 6. So find the LCM of 15 and 6. 15, 6. So you are getting the LCM of 15 and 6 as 30, right? 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30. Now convert these two denominators to 30. How will you do it? 8 by 16, sorry 15 into 2 by 2 minus 2 by 6 into 5 by 5. Correct? This is LCM. Equal to 8 2s are 16, 15 into 2 is 30, minus 2 5s are 10, 10 by 30. See? 16 minus 10 divided by 30. What is that? 6 by 30. That is equal to 1 by 5. So here also you are getting the answer as 1 by 5, and LHS also you got the answer as 1 by 5. So we have verified that 2 by 3 into 4 by 5 minus 1 by 2 is equal to 2 by 3 into 4 by 5 minus 2 by 3 into 1 by 2. Okay, I hope you understood the distributivity of multiplication over subtraction. Okay. Now let's move on to some questions. Okay, now let's see some more questions. Okay, you remember what is multiplicative inverse or reciprocal? In the last class we have studied reciprocal or multiplicative inverse. Anyway, let's start with the question. Multiply 15 by 13 by the reciprocal of minus 7 by 16. See the question? Multiply 15 by 13 by the reciprocal of minus 7 by 16. How do you do it? You have to multiply this number, this rational number, with the reciprocal of this. How will you find the reciprocal? If a by b is a rational number, its reciprocal is b by a, correct? Yes. So what you have to do is, you have to multiply 15 by 13 with reciprocal of minus 7 by 16. It is, tell me, you can write it as 16 by minus 7, or just give the negative sign on the numerator itself. Both are same, okay? Equal to 15 by 13 into minus 16 by 7. Okay, so multiply. Here you can see that this is not addition, this is only multiplication. No need of finding the LCM. Directly you multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators. So how will you do it? 15 into minus 16 divided by 13 into 7. Let's go for multiplying. Okay, 15 into 16. Tell me what is the answer you are getting? 240. Numerator is minus 240. And what is the denominator? 13 into 7. 91, right? So minus 240 divided by 91 is the answer. So when you have to multiply a rational number by the reciprocal of another rational number, don't forget, you have to take the reciprocal of the given rational number. Don't directly multiply 15 by 13 with minus 7 by 16. You have to take its reciprocal and multiply. Okay? Is it clear to you? So let's move on to the next. One more question. Is 8 by 9? Next question is also related to multiplicative inverse, reciprocal, okay? Is 8 by 9 the multiplicative inverse of 1 by 8? Question mark. Whether 8 by 9 is the multiplicative inverse of 1 by 8. See, here 8 by 9 is the rational number. They are asking you whether this is the multiplicative inverse of 8 by 9. Is it? Now here you can see that this is a mixed fraction, right? Mixed. So you have to convert this to proper fraction or improper fraction. Tell me what improper fraction you will get. Okay? In lower classes or last year you might have studied the conversion of mixed fraction to improper fraction, improper fractions to mixed fraction. Anyway, let me explain it once again. 8 by 9, okay, the same number. Now let's take 1 by 8. 1 by 8. How will you convert this mixed fraction to improper fraction? You have to multiply these two. 1 into 8. What is that? 1 into 8 plus 1 divided by the same 8, which is equal to, what is 1 into 8? 8 itself, plus 1 divided by 8, which is equal to 9 by 8. So 1 by 8 is equal to 9 by 8, and here the number is 8 by 9. So whether 8 by 9 is the multiplicative inverse of 9 by 8? Yes. So you are getting 8 by 9 or 9 by 8 as the multiplicative inverse of 8 by 9, or 8 by 9 is the multiplicative inverse of 9 by 8. Is it clear to you? This is how you convert mixed fraction to improper fraction. Should I explain once more? Conversion of mixed to improper. One more example I will explain, okay? Two 3 by 5. See, this is a mixed fraction. How will you convert this to improper fraction? How will you convert this to improper fraction? Equal to, you have to multiply these two numbers, 2 into 5 plus, then add this 3, that is the remainder. When you divide improper fraction, there will be a numerator and denominator, right? So when you go for the division, you will be getting a quotient, remainder, divisor, everything. So actually this is the quotient, remainder by divisor, that is the usual format. Okay. Now let's see, 2 into 5, 10 plus 3 divided by 5. 2 5s are 10 plus 3 by 5, which is 13 by 5. Actually, this is the improper fraction which is written as mixed fraction in this way. So if you convert this improper fraction 13 by 5 to a mixed fraction, it will be 2 3 5. 2 3 by 5. Okay? But how will you obtain this 2 3 by 5 from 13 by 5? Do you know, children? See, 13 divided by 5. 5 how many times in 13? 2 times, right? What is the remainder? 3. So this is the quotient. This is the divisor. This is the quotient. And this is the remainder. So how an improper fraction is written in the form of a mixed fraction? Quotient, remainder by divisor. Quotient, remainder by divisor. This is how you convert improper fraction to a mixed fraction. Okay? Do you know what is an improper fraction and a proper fraction? What is the difference? A proper fraction means the numerator will be smaller and denominator will be greater. But in the case of improper fraction, the numerator will be greater and the denominator will be smaller. So improper fractions can be converted to a mixed fraction. I think you are okay, clear, right? So let's take one more question. Is 0.3 the multiplicative inverse of of 3 1 by 3? Whether 0.3 is the multiplicative inverse of 3 1 by 3. So how will you do it? 0.3. Can you write it as a fraction? 0.3 same as 3 by 10. Right? 0.3 same as 3 by 10. Now let's take 3 1 by 3. Now already you have studied how to convert a mixed fraction to an improper fraction. So how will you convert? 3 1 by 3 is equal to, multiply 3 3s are 9 plus 1 divided by the same 3. 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 1 by 3, which is equal to 10 by 3. So see, 0.3 is equal to 3 by 10. 3 1 by 3 is equal to 10 by 3. So whether 3 by 10 is a multiplicative inverse of 10 by 3? Yes. Right? 3 by 10 and this is 10 by 3. So you are getting that 0.3 is the multiplicative inverse of 3 1 by 3. Is it clear, children? So this is how you find out whether it is a multiplicative inverse or not. And if a question comes regarding additive inverse, how will you check it? Just see the sign. If the given rational number is a positive rational number, then its additive inverse will be negative rational number. Okay? If the given rational number is a negative rational number, then its additive inverse will be positive rational number. Negative means it will be positive. Positive means it will be negative. So this is how you are going to solve the questions. I hope it's clear to you. Okay?